Yeah, hello everyone. We'll wait 5 more minutes so someone to join. We'll wait 2 more minutes. Hello everyone, good evening. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So give me 1 minute. So Shirisha or Priyanka, can everyone share the screen so that we will start? In the last class, what we have done is we have created Salesforce objects, and in the objects, we have created the fields. And then on Sunday, what we have done is we have created the relationship between those objects. Suppose a person, an employee, belongs to one or two projects. So then how can we establish a relationship between the employee object and the project object? So similarly, we have established the relationship between other objects as well, like department, task, etc. Okay. Now, now we will see one type of field called formula field. Okay, one type of field called formula field. So in today's class, we are going to discuss another type of field like a lookup field and a master detail field, checkbox, and what the pick list. So we have seen these all kinds of fields. Now this is one of the special kind of data type, or we say advanced data type field, that is formula field. So why we use that, how you use that, we will see it now. Priyanka, you can share it now. I enabled. Hello. Priyanka, come out of
Yeah,
mute.
hello.
Yeah.
I'm unable to share my screen. Why I don't know correctly reason. Once you
Okay.
check in group, I have sent screenshots.
So you have the option to select the entire screen. Click on that, then
Mm.
again click on share. Click on that screen, then click on share.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Have you created the employee object that day? Hello?
Yes, yes,
Have employee
I have
object?
done.
Okay. Go to the object manager and open the employee object. So everyone, that day we have created employee department project. So these are again more two kinds of object we have created, and we have created a fields in it. Now what we are going to do is in that object only we are going to add some more fields. Is that clear to everyone? If you have any questions, let me know. So
Yeah, I have opened it.
yeah, click on the fields and relationships. Uh, Employee name, first name, last name. So you have the email, you have the owner, these all fields you have. Okay. Now let us add 1 second. Let us add a field called full name. Okay. Let us add a field called full name. Now, generally, what is full name? Generally, what is full name? A full name means it's like a combination of first name and last name, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes,
If you what is mean by full name? It's like first name, the first name space last name means user no need to enter his full name. Whenever the user is going to create the record, he no need to enter first name then space last name. What user will enter? User will enter his first name, and as well user will enter his last name. Now it's Salesforce duty to combine these two and put it in one field. 1 second. 1 second. We are going to check. 1 second. See, you have the first name and you have the last name. What we are going to do is we have to combine first name, then last name, and put it as a full name and print it on the screen. That's our duty now. So I'll show you the practical thing. Then again, we'll discuss how it is done and why it is done. Just click on new. Hmm. So click on new. Click on the formula. So like you have clicked on lookup relationship, pick list. You have selected one of the data type, right? So here also you have to select formula as a data type. Now field label. So give the field label as full name. Give the field name as full name. So it will come automatically. Then here we have formula return type. Formula return type you select as a text. Full name and last name both are text. So text plus text you will get text only. Next. Hmm. Now this is called formula editor. Okay. Formula editor. We have standard formula editor. We have advanced formula editor. If you see here, simple formula and just to go up, you have the simple formula and the advanced formula. Now whatever you choose to write, like simple or advanced formula, here is the like a space where you're going to write the formula. Formula means like you are going to do some operation on some field and put that value in this field. Now what we decided? We decided that this full name field is a combination, is the addition of two other fields, which are last name and first name. Okay, last name and first name. Now you have to write here in you have the option called one second. I'll not use that option. See, just to duplicate this tab, duplicate this tab. Hello, Priyanka. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. 1 minute. You have to click on the top of this tab. There. The next one. There you right click. Yes, there. Then duplicate. Then in this tab, go to the fields and relationship of this object. Hmm. Now, what is the field name? What is the field name of first name? First name field has the some field name, right? Field name. That you copy. That you copy. Because we don't copy field label, we copy this field name. Copy it. No, no, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Just copy this field name. Then go to the other tab on the top. You click on the next, the beside one. Mm. Paste it here. Paste it here. Hmm. Now you just go to the other tab once again. So copy the last name. Copy the last name. Then again go back. Now you just keep first name. Sorry, you paste it the last name. Now what you have done is you have copied the two fields names so that you want to combine it. You want to combine it, and you have to add some space or comma. So then what we can do is just write in between and here in between and you just give the symbol and. We will discuss what is this and. Okay, just and. Okay. Okay. Don't do anything. We'll again we'll come and we'll change it. So now, okay, just save it. Come down. What happens? How it will display? We'll see. So before saving that, we can have an option just to go to previous. Just to go click on previous down instead of next. So come down. Come down. So check syntax. If you click on check syntax, so if any errors are there in your formula or like addition, subtraction, whatever you are doing here, concatenation, this is called concatenation of two strings or two fields. So if any of the error you find, you'll be getting notified here if you click on check syntax instead of saving directly. So now no errors. So we can proceed to the next level. Yeah. Then click on next. Click on save. Okay, super. Now just see where that field is, full name. See here, if you see this full name in the middle you have. So it's a full name is a formula field. If you see the data type, it is showing it's a formula field and it is of text type. Return type is text type. What is return type? What is this? What is this formula? Why it is showing like that? We will see in few minutes. Now go to the application from this object manager. Leave this page as it is. Just click on the cells right click. Ah, okay, no problem. Ah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just now from here, you go to the employee object. Where is employee object? Hmm. it- Now here, you create a new record now. Just give the name. Ah, okay. This field also you didn't we didn't delete it, right? It's okay. Just give something here. Don't need to fill it. Just give some a this field we will be deleting. So leave it. And here is the first name you give it as Kalyan. Kindly ignore the employee name for now because we haven't deleted it. So it should be deleted only first name and last name should be there. Ignore. Just give the value because that's a mandatory field now. It's a first field. Hmm. Now then here you type Malayala. Just give the email. Enough. Now click on save. See, first name you got, this one you got. E- have you entered the full name? But it got Kalyan Malayala. If you see down, we didn't create this one. But what we have done is we have written a formula saying that we give you first name, we give you last name. It's your duty, it's Salesforce duty to add them and keep them put together in the new field called full name. That is called formula field which we have written. Now go to the other tab. The on the top you go to the beside tab, tab. No. Yeah, here employees. You see the top employees, right? No, not that one. On the top, that one. So if you just click on this drop down of just reload this page. Now click on the full name, edit, edit. Hmm. I hope everyone are following this. You can practice it later, but just watch it now. If you have any questions, let me know. Now come down. We'll edit the formula now. Just it is printing Kalyan Malayala. I want some space between that. So what we'll do is first name is written and means it is combining. So what we'll do is after and you enter after and you enter some no not enter means you give after and you give some space then you give single quote. See, wait. Just you have the one second. One second. Let me paste you. Let me paste it to you. paste it in the chat. So I have pasted in the chat. I have pasted it in the chat. Just copy it and keep it as it is. Are you able to see the chat? Priyanka, if you are speaking on mute, just come out of mute.
Yeah, okay.
Can you see the chat?
No, I can't. Okay,
Okay.
1 minute.
In the WhatsApp also I have kept it.
Okay.
So like that. Just one and then in the single quote, sorry, in the double quotes, you write some space or comma, then you keep and. Now this and will combine, first and will combine first name and this single quotes, whatever we have written, space or comma. Then again that will be combined with the last name using another and. And means you're concatenating. Concatenating means keeping the two strings put together, adding them. Okay. Called like a concatenation of two strings. Okay. No need to enter and so no need to enter this uh, new line. Just space. That's it. Now check the syntax and save it. Hmm. Just save it. Not going to save. 1 second. Okay, get it. Save. It off. Now you go back to the previous tab on the tab. Yes. No, on that one. No, not
Okay.
this. Click on that one. The previous one. Yes. Third one on the top, third one, you click on that one. Before that. Yes, yes. Now open this A1. A. So now you see you got a space in between. First name and last name put together called as now full name. Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now this is one type of example. We'll see another example and we'll discuss more on this formula field. Shilisha, can you share your screen? Harini, can you share your screen? We'll create two more fields in your org or in your playground.
Can you stop my
Yes, sir.
screen?
Yes, yes. You can stop. Ah, y- okay, Harini, you can share it now. See, if everyone shares the screen, I can know that there are objects created in your screen as well. So that's the reason I am pointing everyone to share the screen. That this is now seems normal, but when we start coding na, then I can know how much you have practiced, what are the classes you have created. So those all I can judge from your screen share only. So be prepared for the screen share for the next classes as well. Okay. Now, Harni, open your org, like open your playground where you created this employee object, and in the object manager, open the employee object. Okay, launch it. Okay, now go to setup and open object manager and open employee object. Okay, employee. You can just type from here, quick find. Yeah. So, yes, I can hear. Now, cre- create a salary field. Salary is a currency, you all know. Salary field. It's not a formula field, it's a currency field. Click on new and click on currency. Now, give the name salary or employee salary. Salary, it's enough. Yeah. Field. No. Just click on some other field. Some other field. Like description you have now. You have to enter field name description. So like that. So field name should be there for mandate for sure. Okay. When you click on somewhere, then only the field name will come automatically. If you want, you can change the field name. But field label, if you give, the field name will display automatically because it takes from the field name on field label only. Hmm. Click on save. Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you get the salary field? Now just to go back to your home on the top right side. No. Just keep this as this. Yes. In the previous tab. No. Not from here. You have. Yes. Now reload the page. Reload the page. Open the employee object. Open the employee object. Now you don't have any records. Click on new. Just to create some record. Give some name. Yeah, that's enough. Then you can enter first name, last name. It's not a mandatory thing. Just save it. So see, if you see here, Priyanka has some different mandatory fields. Harni has some different mandatory fields. But whatever we see, the fields are same, like first name, phone, email, project, department. So this is the use of assignment. If everyone does the assignment, so everyone will be on the same page with the same objects on with the same task. So that's why I highly recommend day to day you have to complete your assignments. Then only in the next class you will be ready to start learning the new things on your own environment by sharing your screen. Now, click on the salary, click on that pencil icon. This is means editing that salary field. Just enter 25,000. Now save it. Okay. Now, now what you have seen is salary field. Now I want to display the PF field, PF or tax field. Okay, tax field. You know the tax, right? So after tax, so what is the salary I am going to get? That also I want to display. Now you see there are two requirements. You have to display the tax. Okay, you have to display the tax field. How much tax is on this employee? Then I also want that after tax deduction, what is the full salary is getting? Okay.
Yes.
So these are the two things I want. So first we will go with tax. First, we'll go with tax. Now, click on new. So now the question to everyone in the team, how to calculate, like if we have the 5% of tax, let's say 5% of the tax means 25,000. So 5% I want to calculate. So how I can write the formula? It's just a mathematical question. It's not a Salesforce question. So just just if someone knows the answer, just post it in the WhatsApp or post it in our chat.
It should be 25,000 is equals to 25 divided by 100 into 25,000.
Yes, 25. Just to post it in the chat. Suppose salary field is now Harna is having salary field as salary underscore C. Okay, salary underscore C. She is having the field name. Now, how to calculate 25% from the salary field? Honey, just to click on the next. Now the tax is also in the currency only. Wait. Tax is also in currency only. So return type will get currency only. Means tax we are calculating on the basis of rupee, like some rupees, dollars, or like that. So it's a currency field. So just to click on currency now. Next, the return type of the this formula field. Now just to click on next. Hello. So you told Harmeet like 5/100 into
No,
salary.
no, no. Actually, the total amount is equals to 25 divided by 100 into total amount. So it will get
20,
6,250. 25% of 25,000. Na?
25, not 25%, 5% of
Ha.
the salary.
Okay, 5% of the salary. Then 5 divided by 100 into 25,000.
Yes.
Like,
So, yes, you are. Now, eh, hey, Herni, what happened?
Nothing. To
Yeah, okay.
duplicate it,
Okay,
I
okay.
duplicated the.
Now, see, as Hermi told, 5/100. 5/100, can I write it as 0.05?
Yeah,
you can.
Yeah. So, 0.05, 0.05. In computer, we do multiplication with the help of star.
yeah.
Star. So, give space, and enter star, then space. On what field basis we are calculating the like
Salary.
salary. So
Gross margin.
yeah, gross salary. So the full salary.
Mm.
Now copy the full name of this salary. The field name, sorry, the field name or the API name of this salary. Yeah, copy that. Copy that and paste it in the formula. In the formula here. Now check the syntax. It's always recommended to check the syntax. Huh. Now go down. Just write some help text. There is some
No
description
syntax.
and help text. Na? This is the tax field. Just in the description, this is the tax field. Just write something. This what are these? How we can see this one? We can see in the UI now. Now in the help text, you write it as 5% of the full salary. Yes, 5% of the full salary. 5% of the full salary. Okay, super. Now save it. Click on next. Then save it. Wait. Now go back to your Kalyan's record in the before tab. Now refresh it, reload this page. Control R. Control R will reload the page. Okay. Whenever I say reload page, you don't need to go to the top and click on that reload. Control R. See, you got the tax calculated. So
Yes.
this is how, not only this is just a small example. There will be complex fields where we want to calculate everything and put it just the value here. That can also be possible with the help of formula fields. Okay.
Okay.
So this is just a small example. Today you are going to do the task on this formula fields. Then in tomorrow's class, we are going to again see these formula fields, some advanced formula fields. For now, this is about the formula fields. I hope this is clear for everyone. If you have
Yes.
any questions, let me know. Satvik, I think you know this before only.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, I think you have done this, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So have
But
you
I have a small doubt.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Just can I know what is simple formula and advanced form?
Yeah. Just go to the formula editor. Harani, just go to the formula editor. Now, formula editor means if you want to just create the new formula, just click on new. Just give some name like PF, some PF, capital P, capital F. Yeah. Now just click on the currency. PF is also currency.
Advanced form.
Yeah. Now, yeah. Now click on simple formula first. See, if you see here, you won't see on the top. On the top, you see only select field type here. Above this one, insert field. So which field you want to insert? Then if you click on insert operator, just click on the drop down, insert operator drop down. This not this one. The here insert operator here right side. Mm-hmm. Yes, insert operator. You see some app operations here. Star, like multiplication, division, addition, these all things. Now click on the advanced formula. Just for now, click on the advanced formula. Yes. You see, you got some additional things here, less than, greater than, and you got some functions here. Functions. The right
Yes.
side, you got some functions. No, right side, just
Yes, sir.
so and add months. So if you just scroll down in that, Harni, you just go to this functions, not here. These functions, right side. Yeah, just scroll down. Begins with if it's a value is a blank value, so contains currency rate, date field. So there are additional functions, additional days of a year. So if you want to calculate the number of days left for some project to close. See, you given the project date as 25 February. Now I can create a field which will display the number of field left for the project to complete. Suppose from now, if I see that will be around 22 days or 27 days. So like that can be calculated with these functions. Days of the year, distance, these all. So once you get familiar with the simple formula, then tomorrow we are going to use almost 10 to 15 functions of this one.
Okay.
So then you will get a more hands-on with the advanced formula. This is very important because these formulas will be asked in the interview as well as in the um, exam, the developer or admin certification exam. This should be considered as a priority only. Right, roundup of value. Some there are multiple functions. You're converting some value to text, some converting from text to integer. So whatever you do, some logics in the coding, na, that also you can do perform here. So how we'll perform that, how we'll write a complex functions, complex formula, we'll see in the tomorrow's class. Okay.
Yes.
But this is about the formula editor. You ask about the formula editor. So there is a difference that you will get a additional functions in the advanced formula. That functions, how you will use, we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Any more questions?
No, sir. Only
Okay.
that's the total.
Okay. So you are done with the basic formulas, that module as well?
Yeah, sir. I done it.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So this is about this one. Just to go to the Harning, just go to the employee now. Employee. Hmm. Employee in the previous tab. Just to go to the employee in the previous tab. So what is the salary? Oh, no, before that, in the Kalyan, you have the top Kalyan, right? So that one. See, you are entering salary from 25,000, and suppose you don't have salaries less than 5,000 and salary is not greater than 5 lakhs. Okay. Now there should be no record. There should be no record with false data because someone will create by mistakenly salary as 1,000 rupees. So that should not be created. Are you getting my point? See, I don't want to refresh the, I don't want to see each and every data and check whether the entered data is wrong or right. In my company, there is a condition that no person have a salary greater than 1 lakh. Let's say practical thing. So the greater than 1 lakh, no one has a salary. And less than 5,000, no one has a salary. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this is not a formula now. This is condition. Formula means take some value, do some operation and print it in a different way.
Yeah.
This is a validation. I am talking about the validation now. What I am talking about is validation. I don't want anyone to enter the salary below 5,000 or above 1 lakh. If that is entered, I should not create that record only. I should throw the error that you have entered the invalid value for the salary or you have entered the invalid data. Just cross check and enter the correct salary. So because someone while creating the records for employee records, they may forgot doing something and they enter the wrong data. So I want to control that one. So that means I want to validate the data before it's been created in the Salesforce database. That validations can be possible with the help of one concept called as validation rules. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
So there is something called as validation rules uh, through which we can control the data that's been entered into the fields. Okay. How we will do this? Let's see. Click on the employee object again. Employee object now. Go to the object manager and click on the employee object. In the left hand side, go down. In the left hand side, you have the fields and relationship, page layouts, record pages. Go down. What you have? Validation
Validation
rule.
rules.
Open it. Open that validation rules.
Rule.
Now, we don't have any validation rule yet created. So that's why it's showing like this. Now, click on new. Okay. Click on new. Rule name, salary range. Just keep a salary range. You have to give the perfect name. Like, so far now, we shall see salary range as a rule name. Description, just leave it. No need to enter. Now, if you go down, it's same like formula only now. See, same like formula, you have the function as well here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, 1 second. I'll just post it. I'll just post. I have posted in the WhatsApp. I'll post in the chat as well. This looks somewhat advanced, like an advanced formula. Copy it. I'll explain that what that does mean. But just copy it. Total. Not, then and, then is blank. Copy. If not, you just type it, I'll tell you. Yeah, okay, good. Okay.
No errors.
No error found. See, if you see here, everyone, this is like an advanced formula. Why? Because I have used the functions called not and is blank. These all I have used. Why I have used is, see, just a second, just a second. First thing, salary should not be blank. Means if a user is creating some value in the salary, that should not be blank. Okay.
Okay.
So that is my first condition. Second condition, second condition is salary should be neither less than 5,000 nor greater than 1 lakh. Okay. Neither nor. So what I am doing is first only I am keeping not. This we have to understand very clearly. Just let me
Yeah.
share my screen once again. I'll share my screen. Hmm, see, okay. Now everyone can see my screen, right? Yeah. So this is a salary field. This salary field should not have a empty value. Should not have a empty value. Okay. Should not be blank. Means is blank means is blank. Should not be blank. Should not be means not blank. Okay. Not blank. And and this salary field should have a value between 5,000 and 1 lakh. Okay, 5,000 and 1 lakh. Now, this only I have written as a formula. Okay, should not be blank and should be between 5,000 and 1 lakh. Till now, it's clear. Not means is not blank, is not blank. So we'll check is blank. If is blank is true, then we'll say not. You'll see the formula. We'll see the formula. Hani, share it again. Hello, Hani, share your screen again. So here you see. So is blank should not be there and the salary should not be less than and greater than 1 lakh. This all should be not. If this happens, then you print a error message. That error message, please fill the appropriate data. Just enter the value. Please fill the appropriate data in the error message. Data between, sorry, wait. 1 second, just give me a minute. Okay. That's it. No, we'll fill the data again. Now, where the error should be displayed? On the top of the page or on the field only? So let's say on the field. Okay. Let's say on the field. Which field? Not department for field or salary field. Okay. On the salary field. Now just check the syntax. Again, I think you have checked it. No errors found. Go down. Click on next. Go up, click on save. Satvik, same in the advanced formula also, we are going to use this kind of functions only, is blank, this all. That we will come to know more clearly tomorrow. For now,
Okay,
just
okay.
try to understand that is blank, I am checking for the salary should not be blank. Should not.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Yes, so that's the reason I am keeping first only not. So
Yeah,
not is blank, not a salary range in below 5,000 and above 1 lakh. So that's why I have kept not as a common.
but this not and both are belongs to advanced formula.
But both, yes.
Both are belongs to advanced formula. No?
Yes. These functions, whatever
Yeah.
functions will belongs to advanced formula kind of thing only.
Okay, okay.
Because functions means you are going to perform some operation between those data. This is not just a simple addition, subtraction kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now you go to the Kalyan's field, Kalyan's data record. Here you enter some salary range between like above 1 lakh, like 1,25,000. Click on save. Please fill the appropriate data. Now give 75,000. What it's showing? Error? Error. Uh-huh. Okay. Just create 25,000. Uh-huh. 1 second. 1 second. Go to the formula field. Click on edit. Mm, 1 second. Did we miss something? Let me check it. Not and is blank salary or salary range between. This should be the correct one. Just go down. Go down. Okay. The top of the page, the error must be the appropriate data. Not and is blank salary or salary should be. Once create a new record instead of editing the existing record, just to create a new record. Not here, not here. In the employees record, instead of Kalyan, no. There you click on the means go back, click on the employees, not new contact. This is not the thing. Yeah, go back. Okay. Just create a new record. No, click on the employees. First, click on the employees. Employees here. Click on the employees. Create a new record. Okay. Just create some salary like click on save. Okay. Okay. Just to give 3,000. Somewhere I have mishandled the data, I think. Whatever the data, it is not taking, right? Harni, just I posted something in the chat now. Just copy that one and put it. Oh, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Just give me one minute. We'll go step by step. Harni, copy this one just. Then we'll add age blank. Not this one, just yeah. See this or and nor not. These all plays a key role. If we keep here and there, the result will go wrong. You can edit. Yeah, now you change this. Check for syntax. Save. Now reload this page. Reload this page. It got saved, right? Now just to give the salary as 1,25,000. Okay. So everyone, we have removed the check for is blank. We just added the check for the salary range. Only one condition I have added in my formula. It's like a small code snippet. Like if you go to the just go to the formula again. So I am checking here. Salary is between 5,000 and 1 lakh. Salary should be between 5,000 and 1 lakh. If the salary is between 5,000 and 1 lakh, then the condition is okay. Okay, then the condition is okay. Means true. Condition is true. If the salary is between 1 second. So overall, at the last what I have given is not. Not. If you see, there is a not. Means true of not will be false. This is something tricky. Just share me. Let me share my screen. See how the validation rule works is whatever you have written in the formula, whatever you have written in that formula field, like in that editor, is if it is true, if it is true, okay, if it is true, then the error message will get populated, triggered. Error message will get triggered. Listen to it again. If anything you written in the formula field of this validation rule gets true, then you will get the error message. If it is false, If it is false, then you won't get a error message. Okay. So always we have to make sure that we write something here in the formula, like here. I have written what? And salary greater than 5K and less than 1 lakh. Okay. Less than 1 lakh. Now, what if I wrote, if I write only this one, not not not, then we say that the salary should be, if the salary is between 5,000 and the 1 lakh, then you trigger the error message. Are you getting my point? Satvik, are you getting my point? Hello?
Sir.
Yeah. See, here the condition is like that. If you write salary is greater than 5K and salary is less than 1 lakh, then you in the formula field you have to say that this should not happen. Okay.
Yes.
If this should not happen, then there is no error. Okay.
Sir.
But if this happens, if the formula field is like this, what we call, if this happens, if this becomes true, then you get the formula. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why you write something. Not if you forget not. If you forget not, what we write is we write a condition first. Like and means both the condition. Or means only one condition. See, in the program also this is common, and or. See, if I say I want mango and apple, means I want both the things, both the fruits I want. But if I say I want mango or apple, means any one of the thing I want. That's the importance of or and. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have written that and. I have written and. Then in the and function, I have written salary should be greater than 5K and comma I have given, and salary should be less than 1 lakh. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like this means this is the condition. Okay. If this is our valid data. Okay.
Okay.
Out of this one, I told not. Okay. Until and unless this is not, means this is not happening. Okay. This is not happening. No error should come. This is tricky confusion. Even when we learned almost 3 to 4 years back, we were also in the state of confusion only. But try to understand that whatever you write in that formula field, whatever the condition you write not at the end. This is your valid condition that the salary should be between 5K and between 1 lakh. But validation rule concept is like that. If something in the condition is getting true, then you will get error. Okay. So what we have to write is, we write a condition that it should be between 5,000 and 1 lakh, and we say that this should not happen. If this happens, then you throw error like that. 1 second. Harni, you share your screen. Now remove that and. Sorry, remove that not. Remove that not and remove the first parenthesis. Before and of last parenthesis. Okay, only and function is there. What and function is telling? The salary should be 5,000, more than 5,000 and less than 5,000. Okay, means this is our true condition we are thinking. Now let's check what happens. Now save it. Okay. Now save it. Now go to the Kalyan's record. Enter the data now. Like 25,000. Enter the data now. 25,000. So this is the valid condition only, na? But it is showing error now. Enter 3,000 now. Anything. Nah, 200 also fine. Save it now. You get the data now. If you go back to the formula, what I have written in the formula, the salary range should be the salary range should be the salary range should be between 5,000 and 1 lakh. Greater than 5,000, less than 1 lakh. That I have written, but this is treated as a error condition. Are you getting the point now? Whatever you write here, that will be treated as an error condition. Means if this happens, the error will trigger. Got it? So what we have to tell is, until this is happening, you should not trigger. Until this is happening, you should not trigger. Or you just change the condition. Just change the condition. Less than 5,000, right there. Less than 5,000 and greater than 1 lakh is the error condition now. If you don't want to write, no, 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 no. Go back, edit. Okay, 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 okay. Correct only. Wait. Somewhere we are missing. Salary should be less than 5,000. If salary is less than 5,000 and greater than 1 lakh, write the condition like in the less than place, greater than, you change the less than greater than. No, 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 not there. After salary, change the condition. If it is less than 5,000, if it is less than symbol, less than symbol. Now here down greater than symbol. Salary is greater than 1 lakh. Then you trigger the error. This is to tell that when should the error get triggered. Okay. Now it is getting saved. If you write 3,000 now, it won't get saved because what we have written, if the salary is less than 3,000 or greater than 1 lakh, then you trigger the error. It is getting triggered. Reload the page. Tally getting saved. Go to the formula once. Okay. This is another concept. And or we discussed, right? And or. See what this will do is, if the salary is below 5,000 or above 1 lakh, we have to write. or condition. Before this, it was and condition. And means what? What we have checked? If the salary is between 5,000 and 1 lakh. Now it's like or condition. If salary is less than 5,000 or greater than 1 lakh, then the error measure should come. See, this much minute mistake or minute difference will make a bug in our data. I hope, Satvik, you have already done this one, but it's like now you are learning new functions and new concept, new errors.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So we forgot to keep an or means it should be either of the one condition. And means it should be both the conditions. So this will save now. If now you give 2,000. Yeah, good. So or means if this is true or that is true, then the error will come. Okay. If the first condition is less than 5,000 is true, or the second condition greater than 1 lakh is true, we have written or. So any of the condition is true, the salary error message will come. Okay. Clear? Questions? If you are speaking on mute, come out of mute.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Now let me change. This is the another module. I mean another part of the module you have to complete on the validation rules. Here is the one. So you have to complete validation rules as well as you have to complete this formula fields. Okay. Now, now, Harni, you created a achievement field. Achievement object, which is a child object to the employee. Did you remember that one? Open schema builder. That is very good. Open schema builder on the top. Here, right side. Schema builder. In the schema builder, in the quick find, just type achievement. Clear all. First clear all. First clear all. Clear all. Now type employee. Achievement no. Sirisha, did you create achievement?
Uh, yes, sir.
Can you share your screen?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Harni will stop the screen share. So that day we have created a master data relationship between employee object and the achievement object. Achievement object is like created as a detail or the child object, and parent object or master object is like a employee object. So what we are going to do is we want to perform some calculations on this master detail relationship now. Okay. Okay. Now you don't create it. Have you created it or not? That day on someone's Sirisha, is this yours?
No, sir.
Who's sharing the screen?
Harini.
Okay, honey, stop the screen share. Sirisha, share the screen. Satvik, actually, what we have done is on the last Sunday, we had the topic of relationship between the objects. So, in that, we have established the relationship between like department, project, and employee object with a lookup relationship. And later, what we have done is we have created the achievement object and establish the relationship between the employee and the achievements. So we want to make sure that these achievements are the child records for the employee. If employee gets deleted, his achievement should also get deleted. That is what our requirement was on that Sunday.
Yes.
Okay, now what we are going
Okay.
to do is we have a requirement now, like suppose we have the achievements or certifications done in your company. For every achievement or for every like every what we call yeah, every awards, you get some cheer points, some points, award points or cheer points. Okay,
Okay.
on the employee, I want to suppose you have 10 achievements. One
Okay.
achievement you have 3 points, one achievement you have 5 points. So like that you have multiple points now. Okay. In each achievement you have 1 point, at least 1 point. I
Yes.
want to display all these points. I want to display all these
Okay.
points on the parent object.
Okay.
See, this is now Satvik is the account. 1 second. Hmm. Second. Okay. Uh, just go to the object manager, Srisha.
Okay, sir.
Go to the achievement object.
Yes, sir.
In the achievement object, only 4 fields are there. Now, create a field called cheer points. New field, in a new field, select number,
Extra, sir.
number. Number, and now cheer space points. C capital. Now, fine. Yeah, that's fine. Just field as a required field now. Required field. Means every achievement should have one cheer point at least. Click on next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now go to the employee record. Go to the employee record. Or get to the achievement achievement object in the UI. In the UI. Means in the application. In the sales application, you go on like. So yeah, achievements. Create 3 achievements. New. Create new job, new. Yeah. Like some certification one, like that. A CERT one. Just write CERT one. Okay. Means CRT one. Okay. Employee, you select one employee. So because Satvik, this employee is the master for this achievement object. Employee is another object where we have the employee record.
Yes.
Have any employee records, Sirisha? That day have you created? Just to select one thing, search it for. Hello, Sirisha, you are on mute.
Sir,
Uh, Type something. You have the employee records, right? What are the employee records? Oh, okay. Good, good, good. 1 second. Did anyone create that employee object? This achievement object? No, yes. Let me open mine. Sirisha, you're back?
yes, sir, I am back.
Okay, share your,
Having network issues.
okay. Share your screen. Yeah, Harni, you select. Then cheer points, you give it as 2 or 10. Okay, enough, and 10 or something, whatever. Click save or save and new. Save and new. You create another achievement also for Harni itself. Go back. Set to or like employee same Harni. Then save and new. Click save and new.
Okay, sir.
Some points and click save and new. Click concert 3. Means these are the certifications for Harni as achievements in her company. So for every achievement, give some another points like 6 or 7 like that. Odd number. Some other number. Yeah, okay, good. Click on save. There are 3 achievements for Harni. Go to employee record. Go to employee record now. Harni's record. Just click here on Harni. You'll be getting navigated there. No. Don't it there. Just click on Harni. Yeah. So you have Harney record. Click on related tab. Click on related. Yeah. Click on related tab. Here, this one. There only you can see the child objects and relationships, right? So you have to click there. See, you have the achievements, 3 achievements for Harney now. Okay. Now, if I ask you, how many total points does Harney have? So you created that, you know that 10 plus 2 plus 2, that will be 14. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if there
Okay.
are 100 achievements or almost 50 achievements, you can't go there and check and everything and calculate it, right?
Yes, sir.
You have the master record, Harni, and her child records or detail records are achievements. There are number of achievements. Each achievements have some field which has some value. Now, I want every total data, total how many points the Harni have, that I want to print on the Harness record only. I don't want to go and calculate. Okay. Are you getting my point? Everyone. So I want to Just calculate the total points Harni have and print it. Click on details. Click on details here. Here somewhere I want to print the total points, like total points. I just want to name the field, create the field here in the Harney record under the employee object. Then I want to print like 14, 15, whatever. I want to calculate it. Till now I was on mute, right? Hello? Sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. Now, see here. I have the master record as Harni and the child records. You have certification 1, certification 2, certification 3. In each of these child record, we have a field called cheer points. We have cheer points. So we have the value in that some 2, 3 or 10 like that. You have the value in that cheer points field in the child object, which is achievement object. Now, what I want to do is I want to calculate each and every field value from all these child objects or achievement objects records and print it on the Harney record. Okay, Harney belongs to employee. So I want to create a field called total points in the Harney in the employee object. Okay, in the employee object, I want to create a field so that I can print all the achievements, sum of the points here. Okay. This concept is called roll up summary fields. Roll up summary fields. Okay. How we will calculate, how we will create that field, we'll see now. Srisha, go to the employee object. See why we are creating employee object in the employee object, because achievements are the child objects and employee is the master object. So if you want achievements data or child data, then you have to create a field, roll up summary field on the master object only. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
When you want the sum of the data or the number of records in the the data from the child object to print it on the master object, then you have to create roll up summary field in the master object only. Master object here is employee. Okay. Now just click on new. Harnik, am I clear now? Voice. So here you have to create a roll up summary field as a data type. Then click on next. Give it a field label. Give it a field label. Total points. Okay. Click on next. What you are doing? Are you counting? Are you counting the number of objects, number of records, or are you counting the sum of the values, sum? Or are you printing the minimum points or the maximum points? What you're doing now? Everyone.
We
So
are calculating total
total means
achievements.
sum. We are doing sum, right?
Yes, sir.
Now click the roll up summary type as sum. Just click here, summary object, summarized object. Which is the summarized object? Which is the summarized object?
Achievements.
Achievements. That's
Yes.
yeah. Select it. Now click here.
Yes, sir.
What is happening? Hit points. Yeah. Click on some. Okay. Now all records should be included in the calculation. Only records. If you have any criteria, this unit will come later. Now we want to include every record, every achievement. Later we'll see. Only certification should include or award should include. Like that we can do. But for now, all the records. Okay. Now click on next. Click on next. Okay. Next. Next. That's it. Yeah. Now, what you have a total point, which is this roll up summary field on summing the achievement. Okay. Now you go to Harni. Just go to Harni. No, Harni record. In the employee record, you have the Harni record, right? From here. No, not here. You go to the Harni record in the employee object from the sales application. Everyone, if you have any question, ask me now only, because this roll up summary field is very important question when it comes to the certification, especially. Total points, not there. Just reload the page. It should come. Just go down. Just go up or down. Okay. Go to the employee object again. Let's see the settings. One second. One second. Yeah. Go to the achievements. Not here. Not here. Click achievement. Click one of the achievement. Somewhere some setting issue is there. It's stopping you from displaying the value. Now you just edit these cheat points. Just edit these cheat points. Okay. Click on related. Will be there. Now click on Harney record. In the achievements, it should be getting displayed, but it's not getting displayed. Let's see. You're not getting, right? Okay. Sometimes it takes some time to load. So, but what that will do is it will create a roll-up summary field on the records so that we can see the total points. Just to go to the employee object in the object manager. Okay. Just open SharePoint, the total points. Edit it. We are doing some automatic calculation for the mass recalculation of this field. Click on this fourth mass calculation. Click on this one, in the middle one. No, no, not there, not there. Come down, come down. Yeah, that one. Now come down. It is on the summarized on the achievements object, and the field to aggregate is SharePoint. All record, click on save. Sometimes the fields will get time to populate. So go to the Harney record now again. Super, super. You're not getting it right?
No, sir.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Just give me a minute. Schema builder. Account. Opportunity product. Now. So now I have opened three objects. One is account object, one is opportunity object, one is a opportunity product object. Okay, opportunity product object. So see, if you see here, opportunity product object. If you see here, this is schema builder. We discussed this in the last class. So there is something called as sales price. Can you see here? There is something called as sales price, which is of currency type. Okay. Now, opportunity product is a child one. Okay. Opportunity product is a child object in the lookup relationship, whether it's a master detail. This roll-up summary field is not only applicable for the master detail, even in the lookup relationship also, this concept is applicable. So here this is a parent, here this is a child. Okay. Opportunity is a parent record for this lookup relationship. There is a lookup relationship between the opportunity product and opportunity object. Okay. Now let us create a value. Let us create a field here in the opportunity object to display the prices. Okay. To display the total prices of the sales price of all the product. Okay. This is my requirement now. Now just let me go to the from here only I will create. Let me clear all. Oh, sorry. Opportunity project, opportunity. Let's open. Click on this one. Now, which field I am creating? Roll up summary field. So, roll up summary field I am creating on opportunity object. Roll up summary field I am creating on opportunity object. So, the field label is sum of sales prices. Description and the summarized object. Opportunity product is my object. Summary type is not count, it's sum. Okay. Field to aggregate. Which field we are going to aggregate? We are going to aggregate sales price. Total sales price I want to calculate. So all the records I am doing. Everyone, this is the schema builder. This also we have seen in the last class that how we can use the schema builder to create an object, to view the object's relationships, and to create the fields in the object. So for the easiness, instead of object manager, I am taking the help of schema builder to create the field here in the opportunity object so that I can view, I can picturize here itself. So I created this one. So the field is now created. Where is that field? Where is that field? See, sum of sales prices, which is a roll up summary field. Roll up summary field. Okay. Roll up summary field on this opportunity products sales price. Let's see it here. Let me open the opportunities. Let me reload the page. In the opportunities, let me open any of the opportunity. All opportunities. HSLA. No related things. This is insane, bro. Let us watch the opportunities with some product. All opportunities. So here we have product, 0 products. Give me a minute. Add product. Don't worry what I'm doing. Just I'm adding some records as a child records. This we have to do because in Sirisha's laptop we are unable to see the total created records. See, what is the sales price here? 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, some sales prices we have for products. Now, like that, we have the some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 records we have. which are as a child records for this opportunities object of this record is pyramid. Now we need to have a field here. That field expected revenue. One second. In my also it is not getting displayed. We have created a field, but it is not getting displayed. It should come here at least. Okay, not an issue. But once this is done, I'll post a picture in the chat. Sirisha, is it visible now in yours on the Harney record?
I'll check, sir.
Just check it.
Sir, no, sir, it is not visible still.
Priyanka, where you got confused, let me know. From which point? Total class or this point? Hello, Priyanka, come out of the mute and just tell me like where you got confused, like total class or this point?
So today's class I am totally confusing.
Right?
Some errors like that, no? So that I'm confusing
Yeah,
what to
we get the
understand.
errors. We get the errors. See, we are like we do some task, right?
Okay.
We are not doing some theoretical things. Even if we write some code, we get the bugs. This is
Okay.
all about the fixing of the bugs. Then on we'll come to know. See, first thing, you understand the formula fields,
Yeah, I have understood, but which is the correct formula? I did not understand right up to now.
which is the correct formula. You have not understood.
Ah,
You understand the condition?
yes, and condition not that I have understood.
Okay. So,
But mm,
mhm.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
But which is the correct formula you have entered? That is confusing for me.
Okay. Okay. See, at the last that day, that time I have shared my screen and showed you the formula. That time it
Yes,
was clear. Now it is confusing. From that time only it is confusing.
from that time only I'm confusing.
But you couldn't say.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is it same to everyone? Satvik, Shirisha, Harni.
No, sir, but I do have this lookup and master detail relationships, na?
Uh-huh.
When and how to use that, I'm not getting clarity.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
when,
That no problem. That is a new. That no problem. That we have more classes on that to discuss, like when to use, what to use on these two relationships. But
okay.
this
But
formula.
yeah, sir, clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Formula field is clear. Harmit, is it clear for you? I think you typed yes.
No, actually,
Mm-hmm.
I'm suffering with the third class that happened at the Sunday, na?
Yes.
So on that day, I'm unable, like I'm able to create the objects and fields,
Mm.
but in that mm, it is not showing correctly. I don't know what is happening.
Sometimes, like what happens is, when we create some data, it
Mm,
won't get displayed immediately.
mhm,
Even if we have some production instance,
mhm,
sometimes it happens to reflect the fields on the UI.
mhm.
Now you created, suppose in Sirishas we have created. If
Yeah,
sometime like 1 hour or 2 hours, it will get displayed now. So
yes.
it depends on multiple factors. Like these are the playground, these are not fully developed the production instances. So we will be
Okay.
having issues. But when you come to the creation of fields, have you created different fields which we have given the assignment on that day?
I have tried all.
Mm-hmm.
Lookup one and all. I have did the text one,
Okay.
checklist and all.
Okay.
But then also I'm getting confused.
Yeah, confusion will be there. This is not
Uh,
like almost we started only 1 week back, so the
uh,
confusion will be there. But it's like it takes some time.
mhm.
See, these objects you created for the first time.
See, I have created objects and fields, na? But
Mm.
when I'll click on
Mm-hmm.
the more option,
Mm.
it is not showing what objects I have created.
Have you watched our video which we have
Uh,
posted on the channel, like our
yes.
class video? On that,
Yeah,
if
I
you
have.
observe,
Mm-hmm.
I told Sirisha that day to click on the this pencil icon, then add items. These
Mm-hmm.
all thing I have told in the
Mm-hmm.
class. Have you
Yes, yes.
listened to that point?
And that Sunday one video is there, na? That video is not that
That is
much
like a
clear.
360 degrees view. So it
Uh-huh.
is getting up to 360 degrees views that you can disable that 360 degrees view from your YouTube as well. But
Mm-hmm.
what I have done is I have uploaded now another version of the video yesterday night. I have posted in the channel yesterday
Mm.
night so that you
Okay.
can observe.
Okay, okay.
And you can
I'll go
yeah.
through that. If I have anything, I'll come to you.
Yes. Now we'll come to Priyanka. So Priyanka, now in today's class we have completed formula fields. The first one. First
Yes.
one is the formula field. Then we have that you share the screen. We have done that. It's a simple formula. Just we have come to know that there is some field called as formula field, which will be used to calculate something and put it there.
Okay.
That only we have learned, not advanced formula. It's not multiple formulas we have learned. What we have learned is we have learned that there is a formula field. In that formula field, whatever we have other fields like full name, first name we have, that full name will be calculated based on the first name and last name. That we can display. That we have learned. That's it. Not how to use the and, not how to use the and. This all we didn't learn. This concept again will completely okay. Today, what we have learned is there is a concept called formula field where you will be adding or calculating some
My phone
values
wala.
based on the other data, other fields, then put it there. That is the first thing. Is
చేసిన
that clear?
సైలెంట్ లో ఉన్నది ఫోన్
Concept is clear?
Concept
సైలెంట్
is
లో ఉండే
clear
యారా
to
Ah,
me.
okay. Concept is clear. Okay. Now, just if you say about the validation rule. Okay. Validation rule, what we have seen is whatever we write in the box, whatever we write in the box, if that whatever we have written in the box that becomes true, that become true, then error message will come. That's the only thing we have to learn for today.
Okay. I have understood this all, but the code you have entered, that's
Code you will not understand. Just
yeah, that's one confusing. That's
it's not an issue. Code we don't understand. Code we will understand that if you want to understand and you have to write the logic on the paper. If you want
okay.
to write the not, That big formula you have to write it step by step. That as Satvik also asked, I told that we'll be discussing tomorrow again those functions, those concepts. Here in today's class, we want to get habituated to the concept first.
Okay, okay. I have understood the concept, but
Yeah,
like
you just
there
try to
were.
understand that there is a field called formula field, where you
Okay,
calculate something and put it there. There is something concept called validation rule, which are used to validate the data that's been entered into the record. Okay. How you to
okay,
write the formula, we'll see tomorrow.
okay,
That for formulas I didn't tell about any function. Just I want to display the result for today.
okay.
Okay. Because
But as soon as the class completed, please give us video in YouTube.
yeah, that will be happening, but because it will take 24 hours to upload.
Okay, no problem.
That this time only this time it happened like that because
Okay,
even the second class I have uploaded on the Monday only. On the Sunday night or Monday only I have uploaded the second class. But the third class, what happened was I have uploaded. But the issue was with the 360 degrees format. It is taking always in that format. Some
okay,
resolution issue was there while exporting the video from the video editor. So
okay,
that you can disable from your end, but that is very some settings will be there in your YouTube to do that. But
okay. But we don't know.
yeah, that you don't know. So that's the reason I have uploaded yesterday another video now.
Yeah, yeah. I have saw it. I watched that video afternoon today.
Okay, okay. So this will be uploaded tomorrow night. This video.
Okay, okay,
Okay. I'll try to upload this video by tomorrow morning only because tomorrow night again you have the class on this. So I'll try
mm,
to upload tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. Okay.
okay,
Uh, Now, suppose, huh, this is the validation rule. Now the last one is roll up summary fields. So if anyone wants to understand roll up summary field, they need to understand the relationship field first of all. What are relationship fields? Lookup relationship and master detail relationship. Okay.
okay.
Lookup relationship and master detail relationship. See, if you talk about lookup relationship, that I think you have listened to the last class, lookup relationship and master
Yes,
data relationship. I have shared some questions and some concept also on that. So go through that. You will understand lookup relationship and master data relationship. In
mm,
whatever the relationship, we will be having one parent and one child.
yes.
So in the master data relationship, the only thing is there is a tight bonding between the child and parent.
Parent and child. Yeah.
That's the only difference between the master detail, the main difference, not only difference, the main difference between the master detail and the lookup relationship. So, you just watch that video. I can create some fields. Go to the data modeling class, which data modeling model, which I have shared from the trial head. Practice that. So you'll get some hands-on with the lookup relationship and master detail relationship. Now, in
Okay,
today's class, what I am supposed to tell is if there is any relationship between any object, either lookup relationship or the master data relationship, if there is a relationship, then this child records data. This child records some child one, child two will be there. This child records data can be displayed on the parent's record. Okay. This
mm,
child records data can be displayed on the parent's record, either as a summary or the number, the total count, or the minimum value of this among this total different records, or the maximum value, min, max, count, and sum. So these all possibilities we have to display child records data summary on the parent record. This is called this concept is called as roll up summary field. Okay.
okay, okay.
What we have done is we have created the load up summary field, but due to the some network glitch or something, what happens is these fields will not be displayed directly.
Okay.
It takes some time to display those fields on the uh, record. But
Okay, when it will display then for us?
that is what the like question now. Like it takes some time now. Now suppose if I want to 1 minute, if I want to show how it is getting displayed, let me show it. How it will get display means, see, suppose we have the product record, which is a child record for the opportunity object. Product object is a child object for the opportunity object. Then what happens is, whatever the data, sales price, what is the sales price here? 1 lakh. Here 75,000. So if there are two, which is the minimum one that can be displayed like this? We created the field, but it is not getting displayed now.
Okay.
Now, if you see another example, total list price. See, so a sales price and sales price, both sales price we have. If they add that 1,75,000, that should be displayed on the pyramid emergency generators, which we have created now. But it is not getting displayed. So, this is like a scenario. Okay, are you getting
Okay.
my point?
Yeah, yeah, I'm getting.
Now let me create a new field. What we do is let me create a new field and check it again. Create a new field and then select the roll up summary field and click next on the opportunity object. Minimum sales price. Minimum sales price. Then click on next. Now I want to find the minimum value. Let me select the opportunity product, then minimum value of the sales price on the all records should be included in the calculation. Next, click on save. Next. So this is visible to everyone except these three users. So it's not an issue for us. On all the layouts, it is visible. Click on save. Now we have the two. One is a roller summary field called sum of sales price. The other is minimum sales price, which is also the same. Now, hmm, 1 second. Let me open sales application where we can find the opportunity object, pyramid generators. See, we have created, but it is not getting displayed as of now. Okay. Sometimes the network issue, the database issue, that all will be included. Are you getting my point? So, but if that is displayed, so it will be displayed in this format. Okay. Here you will get it. Questions? Okay. No questions? So once it is getting displayed, I will share the screenshot in the chat. Trisha, you also, if it is, so okay, you got it here. Minimum sales price. Okay,
Okay.
now you got it. We have the minimum sales price. Where it is. See, min sales price that got displayed here. Okay, which is the 5,000. See, if I see the products, if I see all the products, one is 1 lakh, one is to 25,000. Out of this, 5,000 is the minimum price, right? That you got it here.
Yes.
So this is about the role of summary field. This is the parent record. These are the child records. Child records minimum value of a particular field will be displayed here. Okay.
Okay.
Now see again. Still there is no total. Total. Let me check it again. It is displayed yet or no. Sum. Sum. No, it is not yet coming. Okay. So sometimes it happens. But here is the result. I think you, Sirisha also now got the result. Sirisha, did you get that in the Harni? So today you just practice this thing. So tomorrow we will see the advanced concept on this concept on again. Same. Okay. Hmm. So we'll meet up in the next class. Until then, you keep practicing these three. We'll catch
Just
up
a
tomorrow.
small
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
May I know what is validation rule?
Yes, validation rule. If I see about the like, if I talk about some fields,
Yeah.
those fields are the part of an object, and those objects will consider which will include records. Okay, will include records. Now, suppose let me take a record of contact.
Yeah.
So there are certain validation rules on on these objects. One such example, if I take the standard validation rule, which I haven't created, which Salesforce has given to you, if I not give an email in the right format, what you are going to see here,
Valid for.
you are getting invalid format error. Means
Yeah.
before you enter the value into the records fields, the data is being validated, and if it is having some error, it is getting thrown to us that you are not following the valid format to enter the data. So if you see the definition of a validation rule is a rule which is defined on the object where the fields or the fields should have a particular value or should have a condition so that no user should enter invalid data into that. Hello,
Yes.
clear about the validation rule?
Yes, sir.
So you just validate the data before it's been entered into the record. That's the
Yes.
only shortcut form. Okay. How you can do that? You have to go to the object manager of this particular object. Then you create a validation rule on the field which you want to maintain that field, which you want to validate the field. Now,
Yes, sir.
in the previous example, I have entered for the salary. So because I want to make sure the salary, whatever the users are entering the salary value, that should be validated before it's been entered into the database or the record.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
On Thursday, you have given one task about that pick list. When you will explain that?
Which one? One
On
second.
Thursday, you have given one task, pick list data type.
This
Yeah, here.
client object. Pick list is the first time we have used the pick list.
Yes, that is the first time. So that confused.
Okay. No, this is also we have used here. Also, we have used for the task object fields for the task due date and the status. We have entered the pick list, and in the video that day the screen was shared by the Sirisha, and Sirisha I have guided that how to enter the pick list value one by one.
Yes, sir.
So that was the pick list that day I have used. So this is not about the like a new task. Priyanka, this is not a new task. This is the
Okay.
same concept. Create a some client object and
I
create
have created that all, but where I have to enter that contact person, I did not understood that.
which one?
Contact person, see,
This is
the
normal field, text field,
text field.
email field, pick list field, and text field.
Okay, I have did that.
Okay, I think you have done that. So
Yeah.
don't get confused. This
Okay, okay,
is
I
a
have
pick
did.
list. Pick list is very simple. If you watch that video, that will be very clear to you. The second class only we have done the pick list on the Saturday's class.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay, okay.
this is not new. This I think I have shared that this client object I want to use in tomorrow's class.
అందులో
So
తెచ్చి
that's
మందు
the reason I have shared that
ఇక్కడే
we'll use this one. Okay.
చైతన్య గురిగా
Okay.
Okay. This is also lookup relationship only from client object to the lookup relationship, client to project object. Okay. Between client and project object, we have a lookup relationship. Okay. On the project object, we have to create.
I have created this one also.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Any questions?
No questions.
But see, tomorrow the class will be very hectic, more hectic than this. But just my concept or my idea of learning and teaching is that I will just see a like a trailer kind of thing first. We'll just watch it like a trailer kind of thing. Then only I'll go for the movie. So that's the reason for any subject, even for the coding also, I teach you some random things. Then I'll connect those and talk about those advanced concept in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
First class, you will get okay, this is validation rule. Oh, okay, this is something. You'll get it. Now, how to use, how to apply advancedly, and how to think about this question and answers in the real time. That will be again in the next class. Even in the last class, if you observe, I have talked about the fields and objects in the first class on the Saturday. In the Sunday's class, then we started on the advanced fields like lookup relationships and these all. Okay. So like
Okay.
that, the concept of teaching will be like this. Mind concept of teaching will be. So don't get confused. Saturdays will be cleared on Sunday. If Sundays is not cleared till the next Saturday, then it's my fault or my assignment fault. Okay. That I will take care. If you have not cleared the last Sunday's class till today, then that will be my fault. Then I will address them on the Wednesday or on the Saturday in the first 30 minutes of the class. Okay. Okay. We'll catch up tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.
బాయ్ సార్